Green tea. Green tea is made from the leaves of the tea plant that are quickly heated after harvesting to prevent oxidation. This process helps the leaves keep their green color and fresh character. It is one of the oldest forms of tea and has been enjoyed for thousands of years, especially in China and Japan. The flavor can range from light and grassy to rich and slightly sweet, depending on where it is grown and how it is processed. Black tea. Black tea is fully oxidized, giving the leaves a dark color and a stronger taste. It became one of the most widely consumed teas in the world through trade routes and colonial history. Popular varieties include Assam, Darjeeling, and Ceylon. Many breakfast tea blends are made from black tea because of its bold flavor and higher caffeine content compared to most other teas. Oolong tea. Oolong tea sits between green tea and black tea in terms of oxidation. Some oolongs are lightly processed and taste floral and delicate, while others are darker and richer with roasted notes. This tea is especially associated with regions of China and Taiwan. The wide range of styles makes oolong one of the most diverse tea categories in the world. White tea. White tea is one of the least processed types of tea. It is usually made from young buds and tender leaves that are carefully dried with minimal handling. The result is a light and subtle drink with gentle sweetness. Because so little processing is involved, many people appreciate white tea for its natural character and delicate aroma. Yellow tea. Yellow tea is a rare variety that undergoes a special slow heating process after harvest. This extra step softens some of the grassy notes often found in green tea and creates a smoother flavor. Historically, yellow tea was highly valued in China and was once produced in limited quantities for special occasions. Today it remains one of the less common teas available worldwide. Pu'er tea. Pu'er tea comes primarily from China's Yunnan province and is known for its aging process. Some varieties are naturally aged over many years, while others are fermented using controlled methods. The flavor can become deep, earthy, and complex with time. Tea collectors often compare aged pu'er to fine wine because its character changes as it matures. Matcha. Matcha is a powdered green tea traditionally used in Japanese tea ceremonies. Instead of steeping the leaves and discarding them, the entire powdered leaf is mixed into water and consumed. This creates a rich texture and a vibrant green appearance. Matcha has become popular around the world and is now used in drinks, desserts, and many modern recipes. Jasmine tea. Jasmine tea is usually made by scenting tea leaves with fresh jasmine flowers. Green tea is the most common base, although other tea types can also be used. The flowers transfer their fragrance to the leaves during production, creating a floral aroma without overwhelming the tea itself. It is especially popular throughout East Asia and beyond. Earl Grey tea. Earl Grey tea is traditionally a black tea flavored with oil from bergamot, a fragrant citrus fruit. The combination creates a distinctive balance between bold tea flavors and bright citrus notes. Its origins are linked to Britain, where it became a well-known and widely enjoyed blend. Many variations now exist, including versions made with green tea or additional floral ingredients. Chai tea. Chai refers to tea prepared with a mixture of spices such as cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, cloves, and black pepper. It is deeply rooted in South Asian culture and is often brewed with milk and sweetener. The exact spice blend can vary from one household to another. The result is a warm and aromatic drink that has become popular across the globe. Herbal tea. Herbal tea is technically not tea in the traditional sense because it does not come from the tea plant. Instead, it is made from herbs, flowers, fruits, seeds, or roots. Popular examples include chamomile, peppermint, and hibiscus. Although different from true tea, herbal infusions are often grouped with tea because they are prepared in a similar way and enjoyed for their unique flavors. Rooibos tea. Rooibos comes from a plant native to South Africa rather than the tea plant. The leaves are processed to create a reddish color and a naturally sweet taste. It contains no caffeine, making it a popular choice for people looking for an alternative to traditional tea. Rooibos has gained international recognition and is commonly enjoyed both hot and cold.